Quite often in patterns that begin in rounds, it will ask you to start with a magic circle, or you may want to start with a magic circle. So this is how you can make a magic circle. With the tail end of your yarn over here, we're going to wrap around our small finger, turn our hand over. We're going to go 2 times around these 2 fingers, making a total of 3 loops. Take our crochet hook, go under the first 2 loops, put our hook over the 3rd loop, pull back. Now we have 1 loop on our hook. We're going to take our hook and go under the yarn that's coming from the small finger, yarn over, and we'll pull through. So that has made 1 chain over our magic circle. Now we can let the yarn come off of our fingers. We see that we have 2 circles. We have our tail end. This is the working end of our yarn. I'll show you how to close the magic circle. So I will do 6 single crochet in there. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is just to show you how to close our circle. So now I have some single crochets into the magic circle, but we can't leave it like that. So we'll take the tail end of our yarn, we'll start pulling it, and you will notice one of these circles will start to get smaller. Okay, this circle here is getting smaller, so that's the circle I'm going to need. I'm going to hold on to that circle that was getting smaller, and from the tail end side of our circle, I'm going to pull on that, and that will tighten up my other circle. Now I'll hold on to the tail of the yarn and pull. And that will tighten the other circle. So now our beginning circle is nice and tight, and we're ready to continue on with this project. That's how you make a magic circle. I hope you found this easy to follow, and happy crocheting!